Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. So today we are going to learn about imperative. Over here on page 13, on your Supermind book, this is our topic for today. Imperatives. So what is imperative? So imperative, if we look at number 2 on page 13, okay, look closely at these sentences. There are 4 sentences, okay, 2, 3, 4. So they all start with this word, action or imperatives. Okay, for example, open your book please, and then next one is sit at your desk please. Number 3, pass me a ruler please. And lastly we have close your bag please. Right? So if we look at these sentences, they all start with the verb ataupun kata kerja, perbuatan. Open, sit, okay, and what else? Pass, okay, you pass the ruler, and lastly close. Okay, these are all action. And another example, usually like our parents, they always give us something to do. For example, let's see, from 1 orange, Russell. Okay, let's take example. Okay, these students, Russell, maybe his mother or his father says, Russell, tutup kipas, something like that. Tutup kipas. So it's like switch off the fan. So that is what we call imperatives. Kena bagi arahan. So something or somebody asks you to do something, you start with this verb or any some sort of instruction. Okay, like this one, listen and say. That's also imperatives. And this one, at the end of each sentence, if you look closely, it ends with please. Okay, so that your imperative sentence will be more polite. Bila kamu cakap please, lebih sopan. It's more polite. Okay? Open your book. Open your book. What do you feel when somebody tell you to do that? You will feel, oh, shock, terkejut. So why don't we use this word regularly in our life? For example, Russell again, okay? Let's take Russell from 1 orange. Or maybe Nelson. Nelson, tolong tutup kipas. Tolong, please. That's why we use this word on our imperatives sentences. It's more polite, lebih sopan, okay? Lebih lembut. So that's imperatives down here. For example, the teachers always give instruction or imperative sentence. For example, let's read from 1 ungu, maybe Joshua. Joshua, pass me the marker pen please. The teacher would say that sometimes at school, in our classroom. So that's when we use the imperatives sentences. And don't forget, jangan lupa to use the word please, tolong. Okay? If you look closely here, activity 1, listen and stick the answer. But don't worry, you don't have to stick anything on your book. Okay, number 1, look at this teacher. See, what the teacher says to this boy, sit at your desk. Okay, you don't have to do this, let me do for you. Sit at your desk please. Okay, tolong duduk di kerusi, di tempat kamu. At your desk, not on your desk, bukan di atas meja. Okay, next one, number 2 over here. Open your, I believe there's some book over here, I'm not sure on your book. Please open your book please, something like that. Tolong buka buku. Number 3 over here. Close your bag right here. B-A-G. Close your bag please when you are going back home. Okay, the teacher will say that. And lastly, number 4 over here. Pass me a, what are they? Pen. Okay, pass me a pen. One pen. Please, tolong berikan ataupun sampaikan satu batang pen. A pen. Satu sahaja. And then this another teacher, I think, or another person. Here you are. Okay, let's see. I think that's all from our Supermind textbook. So now let's do some exercises. There are 2 over here. It's on page 13. Okay, on page 13, imperatives. Let's start with activity 1. Over here, let's read the instruction first. Baca arahan dahulu, read and write the words. Okay, kena baca, you have to read first and then you have to write the words. So what are the words? It is based on the pictures over here. So over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. Okay, 5 ayat and 5 pictures as well. Okay, so pass me a, look at the picture, pencil. Easy, and don't forget full stop. Number 2, close your, you write over here. Number 3, open your, and I suspect we need to add something. I believe there's one line over here. Don't forget, comma, please. How do you spell please? P-L-E-A-S-E. Pass me a pencil please. Tolong kasih pas saya punya sebatang pensel. Let's see number 2. Let's do number 2, okay? Close your, this is what you call bag. Okay? Okay, close your bag. There's one line over here. How do you spell bag? B-A-G. And comma, please. Don't forget that. Okay. And I think you can do for number 3, number 4, and number 5. That's your homework. And let's move on to exercise or activity number 2. The instruction is, arahan dia ialah read and match. You have to read the sentences and you have to match. Kasih padankan. How you match this sentence? by writing the numbers. Okay, you have to write the numbers, but firstly you need to read the sentences first. For example, number 1, I read for you. Close your pencil case. Okay, over here, let's have a look at these 5 pictures. Which one is the correct one? Close your pencil case. I can see the answer is here, C. Because you look at the picture, the arrow showing that the boy is closing the pencil case. So let's try number 2. Pass me a ruler, please. Pass me a ruler. So which one? Okay, I can see the answer is E. You see the arrow goes out, means the boy is passing something. What is it? It's a ruler. So this is number 2. Simple. As long as you understand the imperatives and you look carefully at the pictures, and you will be able to answer these exercises correctly. So that's all for today. Imperatives, that's our topic for today. And I hope you understand this. If you have any problem, you just ask me on our Telegram group. And if you have done, take a picture of it and send it on our Telegram group so that I can check your answer. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.